Bitcoin has successfully broken out of the inverse head and shoulders pattern. Now it is on its way to 80k. Don't forget that on the way to this target, we will validate a larger macro double bottom on the break of 72,000 USD. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Louis Crypto here. Thank you all for the continued support. We had so many people tuning into the last Bitcoin update. Let's continue with that. So very close to 9k. We can hit that in the next couple of days. So what I'm seeing on the daily time frame are some key things. Not only did we break out, as you saw on the 4-hour, we have broken out on the daily time frame as well. And what we needed to see was a daily candle close above $66,139, which we got the day of my last video. In fact, yesterday's daily candle close showed that not only did it start dumping down first, actually losing as we zoom in, losing this level as support, but for the daily candle close, reversing, actually confirming it as support, climbing back above, reclaiming it, and then breaking out of the 786 fib. What this now means is that Bitcoin is in the reversal wave. This suggests that we're now looking at these as our next targeted area using the Fibonacci's. When you break the 786, you have now created the reversal wave. So going forward, we need to maintain the golden pocket, the lowest level being 62,000. And it's nice to see that standing in the price's way of going lower is almost this newly formed bullish cross. So this will appear in the next coming days. By the time this is formed, eventually, as you can see with the bearish one, you retest it. So eventually we will retest it. So it makes sense that Bitcoin continues higher to the 1 fib and maybe it starts coming back down in time for this newly formed bullish cross to catch up with this area, fall back to it before continuation to the sets of targets that we have, which are not only the Fibonacci targets between 78 and 86k called by creating the reversal wave, which we did yesterday, but we've also got that inverse head and shoulders that is taking us to 80,000. So we've got two things acting as confirmations, as confluence, but along the way, getting up to these targets, remember we have two confirmations of why we should come here. Along the way, we will be breaking through this high, and that is actually a neckline of this macro double bottom with a 96k target. And this is actually the first level of our second area that we use as a target. At that point, we do believe that the market will see a similar correction that we've just gone through now, that will see Bitcoin go down 20+% and altcoins more than -50 all the way down to -75, -85% on certain cryptos. Very exciting times ahead. I will just zoom back on the 4-hour just so you can see that we have actually confirmed this neckline as support after breaking out. We are using horizontal levels as well as the ascending neckline. But when we came to form this right shoulder, you could see that this was the highest wick of resistance, and we need to see that turned into support, which we have done so over the past couple of days. And now all we need is that bullish continuation to the next Fibonacci level, and at that point it just makes sense for market to correct. If we correct from here, it's not a worry. It just does mean that we're stalling off the process of going higher, because now it's if we were to lose the neckline, you have to go ahead and eventually reclaim it. So it's about then finding the next level of support, which would be around this area if we were to lose this, and then work our way back above for the pump to the 1 fib level. But don't worry about that case. It's only if we're losing 66k again. We are currently above 66k. We're holding the 20 moving average. We saw the daily candle close yesterday holding this as support. So this is pretty much on the daily time frame just coming back down to see if this will hold. And then by the daily candle close, if we could actually close above the 786 fib, $67,500, wow, the direct next move is back to 72k, and that holds, of course, the path to 80 and then eventually 96k. Guys, make sure on your way out to like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you ever want to get tutored by me, taught by me, check out the tutoring, the one-to-one mentorship sessions, which we have on the website. You can do 1 hour or up to 10 hours. That's the full plan. I've also got a Discord community where you have access to all my buys, my sells, how much I have in each crypto. And we also teach you in there as a group not only every day in the group chat with more exclusive content, but through our live streams where I sit with you as a group, sharing my screen, go through all our cryptos, teaching you how to use the fibs on them and how to actually target in both directions so you can never get caught out. That's it from me today. All the links you need are found down below. And I would say, anyways, check out my Twitter for more exclusive content.